Hello guys, welcome to day 77 of the 100 days of technical analysis. I am Pelumi and today I'll be talking about DUSK Network Bitcoin. Okay, here is DUSK Network and I would like to show you a few things on DUSK Network today. I'll be doing the analysis on the daily, the 4 hour and the hourly chart. Okay, here is DUSK. DUSK broke a resistance here and made it up here. After that, Dusk entered a downsloping pennant, which um, broke but didn't play out very well because price only did about. Okay, I think it still did well. Price only did 15. Wait, price broke out here. Okay, so price only did about 22% after it broke out. It's still good, still good. But after that, price came back down and broke the previously broken resistance. And currently, price sits on another support, which I would like to draw out now. Price sits on another support here. Price sits on another support here. Okay, so usually or most of the time, price bounce off supports a lot of times or most of the times price bounce off support. So when I see price on a new support, most of the time I expect price to go back up, but I can't just enter a trade to buy when I don't have enough reasons, because there are times price breakthrough supports like it did here. There are times price breakthrough supports. And given that BTC is not doing exactly well at the moment, I will be very, very cautious about entering trades now. Okay, I'll be very, very cautious about entering trades because BTC is actually below 10k and it's not very good. As you can see, BTC is outside this support. BTC is outside this support. I believe BTC might make its way down here to 96. If it does that, I don't expect that any buy trade will work out on altcoins, as BTC would drag them down. Okay, but I would still like to talk about what the altcoin I chose for the day. That's Dusk Network. Okay, so usually I expect the price would bounce from here, and given that we have a pin bar on the support, I'd expect price to go up from here to somewhere here, but I doubt BTC will let that happen. Okay, let me go to lower time frames so we can at least check out a few things to support our buy, since we are on the support. That's not enough to buy though, so we'll be looking at other time frames to see if this would actually go up or go down from where it is at the moment. Okay, so um if you look carefully with me, you'd see that what we have here is a complex head and shoulder bottom. They call it inverse. Some people call it inverse head and shoulder, but I can call it head and shoulder bottom. And the major reason it is complex is because the neckline is not straight as it always is in other patterns. In other head and shoulder patterns, it is usually like this. Yeah, it is usually like this. Okay, the neckline is always straight. But in this case, we have a neckline that is not horizontal, that is actually diagonal. Okay, we have a neckline that is diagonal, which is why it is referred to as a complex head and shoulder. In this case, since the neckline is not straight, our breakout is from here. Our breakout is from this place here. So we wait for price to break here before we can enter this trade. Okay, the inverse head and shoulder, or the head and shoulder bottom, is a pattern that breaks out from the upside. So whenever I see this pattern, what I expect is for price to come like this and break out from the neckline. Okay, but whenever we are trading, we should always keep in mind that the general market will always override the market we are dealing with. Now, the general market in this sense is BTC, and BTC as well as other altcoins are not really doing well. Only our price is doing well, and this is just about 0.26%. It's not even up to 8%. So the general market is saying that okay, this is a bad time to enter a buy order. Okay, it does not mean that there are not a few coins doing well. They are, but we have to enter each trade with extreme caution and make sure a stop loss is set. A stop loss is what protects the account, so it must be set on every trade we choose to enter at this time, at this point in time. Okay, so that is what I see on the 4 hour. So as I said, I'll be waiting for price to cross. Um, I'm waiting for price to cross 612 sats. So once price crosses 612 sats, I can be sure to buy this, since the goal is to accumulate more sats or more bitcoins. You can take 10%. This is 10% is 671 sats, 16% at 711 sats, and my third TP is about 26%, 27%, and that's 777 sats. I wouldn't really expect much because since the overall market is not doing well, I wouldn't keep my hopes really high right now. Okay, since our entry is here, we might want to put our stop at 8%. That's 562 sats. Once price crosses 612 sats and we have a candle that comes below 574 sats, then the trade idea has been invalidated, because I believe we already have a candlestick that has broken the right shoulder. Uh, but as Okay, so once price breaks here, I don't expect price to come this low again. I don't expect price to come back this far. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame. Okay, so what do we have on the 1 hour time frame? Wow. On the 1 hour time frame, we have a W here. This is the head on the 4 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it is a W, and it played out quite well. This is the W. This is the neckline of the W. Okay, it played out correctly, and price it here. And on the right shoulder, what do we have? We have this is a pin bar. We have a pin bar, a bullish engulfment, and another bullish engulfment, which led to where price is now. And here we have a double top, which led to which made price come back down here. So here, which we are at the moment, we have a double top, and a double top takes price downwards. So we'll be expecting that once this double top confirms, we'll see a downward price movement. But as it is, this double top didn't confirm. Price came down here. It broke it, but there was an immediate reversal. There was an immediate reversal. And as this candle is, I believe it might end up as an engulfment candle, a bullish engulfment. And if we have a bullish engulfment at the end of 36 minutes, then I believe that the entry conditions will be met if price doesn't reverse here. If price reverses here, then we would have a a triple top. But I believe price um, would break out from here if BTC doesn't do any sharp move that would crash this trade. Okay, thank you all for coming around for day 77. Do have a wonderful day, and see you all tomorrow.